Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Teams not working in Windows 11. So the first method here to fix this issue is go to the search box and type this task manager. Now open up this app by clicking this run as administrator. And from here, you just need to end task the Microsoft Teams if it still continue working in the background. So right click the Microsoft Teams and then click on this end task. Now once you've done right here, you need to go to the second method, which is to open the CMD or command prompt. And right here, you need to write some text prompt. So we need to go to Google Chrome and try to search for this HowTech Windows commands and enter this one. So you just go to the first link and you will go here on this website. Now from here, well, we need to zoom out this one to 80% and then go to the command 12. Now all you need to do is copy this text prompt here and paste it to the CMD. Now once you've done, let's go to the next command here. So go to command 13 and then copy this text prompt again and then go back to CMD and paste this text prompt right here. Now once you've done, just close this CMD and then we will go to the next method. So we just have to open the settings and then here go to this option system and then scroll down until you find troubleshoot. So click this one and you will go here on this page. So just stop that other troubleshooters and from here just find the Windows update right here. So just click on the run button at the right side of your screen. So just click that run and try to reopen that Windows update. You can also go to Windows update option here. If you go to the left side of your screen at the bottom, so click that Windows updates and then you will go here on this page and then right from here all you need to do is download and install all the latest updates on your Windows 11. So it will help you to actually fix the Microsoft Teams not working in your end. So the last method here is to uninstall and reinstall your Microsoft Teams. So go to apps, installed apps, and then click this three dots beside that Microsoft Teams and then click on uninstall button. So once you've done uninstalling this application, let's go to the Google Chrome and download again. And you can go right here on the website microsoft.com and just click this download for desktop. So yeah, that's how you basically fix Microsoft Teams not working in Windows 11. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.